Introducing the Akiles ProLam R27, a 27-inch premium roll laminator designed to deliver crystal clear laminating results for all your laminating needs. With its rugged construction and impressive 2-inch diameter heated rollers, the Akiles ProLam R27 offers optimal pressure and heat distribution for superior results. With a 27-inch width capacity, the Akiles ProLam R27 can handle any film size up to 27 inches wide. Whether you're laminating 1.5mm, 3mm, or 10mm rolled film, the Akiles ProLam R27 is sure to handle the job with a full temperature range to allow for perfect lamination. A clear safety shield provides handling protection, and the safety shield can be removed to quickly access the rollers as needed. In addition, the Laminator offers the ability to run the roller slowly while the safety shield is off, to easily thread film and clear jams as necessary. The sturdy feeding tray includes a side guide which can be moved to ensure straight feeding. The tray is also easy to remove and put back for easy film threading. A LCD control panel provides ease of use. Set your temperature by pressing the up and down buttons. The temperature that shows will be the set temperature. After 3 seconds, the screen shows the current temperature. Set your speed by pressing the up and down buttons. Press the forward button to move the film forward. Press the reverse button to back out your lamination as needed, and a stop button to stop the lamination. The optional cold function allows for cold lamination. The machine will also conserve energy by going into sleep mode when not in use. Let's laminate with 1.5mm film. Set your desired temperature and speed based on the recommended settings chart. Once your desired temperature is reached, the ready light will light up and you're ready to start. Set your document on the feeding tray, insert them between the rollers, then press forward. Crystal clear lamination. Press the stop button once your lamination passes completely through. All Akiles laminators come with a 1-year warranty. In case your machine needs repair, we'll take care of parts and labor. For superior laminating, the Akiles ProLam R27 is a laminator you can rely on to get the job done.